Alright, so today we are going to go over how to install top hardware onto the Quiver placard. First, we're going to remove the looped backer, set that to the side, and then peel up this one wrap, this Velcro one wrap. Take our hardware, fish the one wrap through, and then secure it. And it goes the exact same for those who want to run metal G-hooks. So we'll fish it through the G-hook, and then if we want a higher adjustment, we simply adjust with the placement of the one wrap. So we can choose our height that way. And then we just reapply our looped backer. And now we have buckles installed on the top of the Quiver.